Right, hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to go through the next little bit for the bread bin. So today, as I say, I've got a bread bin here. Now it's got a lid, so I'm going to show you how to make this lid. And as part of this video, I'll show you how to join timber, how to inlay, and how to put some rebates in from the rads table. I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. So so just sit back and enjoy it. And if you're enjoying the videos, then please like and subscribe. There's plenty more. Trust me, there's plenty more. Right, there you have it. So we've got the 4 pieces all cut out. One of the combs came off, unfortunately, when I was going through. So what I will have to do is I will find a little piece of timber that matches it. So I've got this little bit here, and I'll just fillet it in, and you'll not. So I'll cut a piece to make a fake tenon and glue it in. That way you won't see any difference. So don't worry if anything like that happens. Not bad. That should be correct, isn't it? Well, the next bit I'm going to do on this is I'm going to actually put a little rebate in and put a top in it as well. So I'll do that, and I'm going to inlay it as well. But that's fake, like a little fake tenon, and where that chipped off when I was routing, I'm just going to insert this in the same place. So theoretically, it'll just drop into there. Glue. Bit of glue. Now remember, if it's cold, less than 10 degrees, in the UK, the PVA glue isn't really going to work, so you're going to have to bring it inside, which, you know, as long as you know, it's not a big deal, is it? Just get a bit of sandpaper or something like that, fold it over, and just get it on all the internals, insides and outside. It's good that you remember the marking your face side, face edge, because then as long as you align it all back, it'll be okay. There's nothing more annoying. Well, I say there's nothing more annoying, but it's pretty annoying when you glue something up and then you realise you've put a piece in backwards or something like that. So there's the face. So you don't need to worry about the outsides, just the insides, because you can't plane off the insides, but you can plane off the outsides. So next thing we're going to do, check the diagonals, because that's what makes it square. Right, I think that's glued up. Right, so just leave that for a couple of hours. I'm going to leave it here and then I'll bring it in overnight. Right, that's enough for today. The next job we've got this frame, but we need a lid. So what we're going to do is that we're going to put a little rebate inside the centre of that, and then I'm going to put some oak inside it. I'm going to make it out of this strip of oak. It's quite thin, but I think I'll be able to get a 3mm groove in there, and then join two pieces together, and then those two pieces will fit inside that. That's it. It's doing it. So what we've got to do, get some glue in it, cramp it up, and we are away. That's going to be our board for the top. Right, let's glue it. Let's do it. Let's glue it. And anyway, if it's shit, you'll not see it because I won't issue it, will I? I won't. I'll just, oh yeah, it all worked out wonderful. Ooh. Right. Now I think this wants to bend up a little bit, so I will be leaving a little weight on it. It's wedged, gap is filled. That's going to be a lovely panel. Right, welcome back. So it's the morning now. Glue has gone off. It's dried. So I'm going to plane this down and get it down to the finish that I want before I start to inlay it. Have to be really careful on this because I've only got so much to play with, and I don't want to pull any of the fibres out. So I'm going to use a super sharp plane, and then probably the final bit, maybe with sandpaper and a block on sandpaper, just to make sure you just don't pull anything out and ruin the surface. But let's give it a go. First go at inlaying. Hopefully it'll be amazing. Groove joint in the middle, groove inlay, box joints, rebates. Right to table. Very good news. There you go. Simple tools, right at table, bit of patience, get some nice results at home.